Got him. Good fish. Nice brown. Hey guys, Grant here again. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today, I am back again with another fly fishing video. We're at a little tailwater here, but let's get after it. Hopefully it's a good day. I'm starting today a little later, work this morning, getting out here. It's probably about 2 o'clock right now. So let's get to it. Let's catch some fish. All right, guys, so here we are on the river, first spot. What I rigged up here is a little classic Chocolate Thunder. In front of that, Copper John. And in front of that, waiting my rig, Pat's rubber legs, short little indicator distance, little split shot. So we'll see. Usually I have to make adjustments based on that from that, but we're gonna start with that and see what we can do. Fish this inside seam. See if we can pick anything up. That's something. Not sure what happened here. Fished this shallow, literally 10 feet in front of me. Got him. First one of the day on the board. Beautiful first fish. Nothing too big. Maybe 16 inches. Let's see what he ate. I don't know what he ate. Popped off. There he is. Nice little rainbow. Like I said, super shallow. Just on the inside seam. Number one. Back to the drink. Got him. Another one. Guy doesn't seem very big. Whoa. Usually helps to net the fish. There we go. Little brown. Nothing big. Just a pretty little guy. Oh man. Alright, unhooked himself. Look at that, still swimming. Pretty boy. See ya. There we go. Got one. What is going on here? Ooh. Jumpy boy. Chocolate Thunder. In the face. There we go, guys. There's my third fish of the day. Fat one on that Chocolate Thunder. Sweet. All right, guys, got him unhooked. Definitely not a big fish, but very pretty fish. Very healthy, fat. There he goes. All right, so a small adjustment I made, even though I've been catching fish feel like I can get down a little better than I have been. So I threw on a little bit of tungsten putty. Might have been too much. I've been stuck on my last couple of drifts. But tungsten putty, the key to it is you gotta have a split shot underneath it. I like to do it above a knot as well. So split shot underneath this knot, blood knot right there. Some tungsten putty just helped me get down. I was noticing in that faster water, the slower water I was okay, but the faster water I wasn't getting down. So see what we can do. All right guys, it's time to move. So this is the hole I was just fishing. It's nice you can get a good vantage point on it, but 3 fish I picked off. One of them was like in this really slow stuff right here, kind of shelves down at a slope and then hits the main river bottom depth right at that little angle. I caught one, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a rock in the middle of the river. I caught one just to the right of it, and I caught one behind it as well. Really like this slower stuff. No matter the flows, honestly, it's usually pretty good. But yeah, just shallow-ish fish. Didn't get any after I added that weight, but got him. It's a good fish. Chocolate Thunder.
That was a big one.
Got one. Another nice fish, Chocolate Thunder again. Man, this is a hard spot to pull them out of. Oh! Alright guys, so I made some small adjustments here. Get a little bit of cloud cover roll in, but lost 2 big fish just now in this water in front of me. They both ate the Chocolate Thunder, I could see that, but for some reason they both came off down in this little eddy here. So what I did is I went ahead and I just switched my Chocolate Thunders. I didn't know if there was something wrong. Maybe the other one got a blunt point or something, but went ahead and switched to a different Chocolate Thunder. The other adjustment I made is I took off that Pet's rubber legs. I feel like it was doing me more harm than good. You know, the more flies you have on the rig, the less likely those flies are to all be drifting well at the same time. So I just wanted to make sure that I got less drag on my drifts and better presented the flies that they actually want to eat, this Copper John and that Chocolate Thunder. So let's get back to it. Got him. Let's see if we can actually land this guy. I'm losing all my other fish. Not a big one. Looks like he ate the Copper John. Yep. Way up there in that other seam. It's hard to get to, but these flows actually make it. These flows are higher than they usually are in the winter and spring, so they make it easier to get up to, but let the little buddy go. Come on. There we go. All right, there he is. Back in the drink. See ya. Got him. Good fish. Nice brown. Ski him in there. Oh. Papa John, baby. Look how pretty that boy is. Alright, let me get him on hook. I'll get him back. There he goes. Got him. What is going on? One key tip when you're fighting a fish, remember what you got in your hand. I remember a guide told me this when I was a little kid, but you got like $1,000 shock absorber in your hand, so use it. You know, try to put as much bend in that rod as you can, because that's what's actually protecting your tippet from breaking. So. Oh, nice brown. There we go. Got him. Got him. Here's this little brown I just caught on that copper john. Not huge, but I thought he was pretty. I thought he had a really nice head on him. Back to the drink he go. You guys might be wondering, Grant, what do you do for water when you're fishing? And all I do is take this little outer shell, take this inner piece, that's the filter right there, and all you gotta do is press. Works better when I don't press on my leg and I actually press on the ground. Press. And what it does is it moves, this pressure drives that water into the bottle and through the filter, giving you nice filtered water to drink. Some of these places you go in the summertime there, you know, 90 degrees, or at least feels like it because you're at elevation. You need to stay hydrated. Bingo. Alright guys, just missed big fish of the day. Got her on a leech into my drift. So, yeah, let me get her unhooked and I'll show her to you. This fish went 20.5 on the net. Will not stop bouncing around, but there you go. She is pretty ugly. Alright guys, this is going to be my last stop for the evening. Gonna fish here for just a couple casts. This is the very viral cave hole. Maybe if I make a YouTube short out of this, it'll go viral too. But it's pretty sick. You can climb down in here. Gotta take my glasses off. Climb down in here. Hop around. There's the water. Got these big rocks in every direction. Pretty cool. All right, let's see if we can get one. Got one. There we go. In the cave hole. Oh! Jumper. Little guy. Come to Papa. Boom. There's our cool little Little cave hole fish. Really pretty. Wow. All right, guys, I'm back home now. Thanks for joining me on my day, watching my video, fishing that tailwater. That was such a great day. Got them real good on that chocolate thunder to start. Then kind of shifted to that copper john. Got a little tougher after the hatch, of course, and then I was able to pick up that really good fish that was not able to actually get on the GoPro because for some reason it wasn't recording, but good fish nonetheless. That ate that little Mayor's mini leech. So great day of fishing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Tried to get some more footage of the surroundings because I know it's really pretty. So see you next time. Thanks for watching. Peace.